Hello, friend. Glad to meet you here once again. I have a subject I want to talk about, and the subject is what will you do to your pain? I want to share with you something that will truly bring you and show you your true inner nature, that will turn your trauma into spiritual awakening and propel you into a second life full of everlasting joy. So it's very crucial for you to understand that your pain can give you everlasting joy. You need to awake your spiritual man, your inner nature, and flow with it. Thank you.